Hey everybody, this is Amy and I am back with a recipe video for you. As promised, we did the canning of the chickpeas so that we could make hummus, and I've put together this video. If you haven't seen the video on how to can the chickpeas, I'll put a link right here, but if you have watched it, go ahead and continue and I will show you how to put together a delicious homemade hummus with one version no oil and the other version with oil. So you can make it however you want. So let's get started. We need to open up a can of the chickpeas that you made, and all you need to do is dump the entire contents into a food processor. The juice and all, do not drain them. This version is for the oil-free. I decided to add more garlic and more preserved lemons, and I will leave a link to my video on how to make the preserved lemons. If you don't have those, you can use lemon zest and the juice of a lemon, salt and pepper to taste. So once you have all that in your food processor, or you can use a blender, just blend that until it's really nice and smooth. Once it's at the consistency that you like, I'd go ahead and taste it just to make sure you don't need to add anything else. I decided to add some chopped parsley to mine. And at this point, if you want an oil-free hummus, this is all you need to do. It's actually delicious just like this. If you want to add some oil or tahini to make it more of a true hummus, you can go ahead and do that. I used some spicy red tahini to give mine a little bit more of a kick because I like it spicy, but you can just use regular tahini. I put 2 tablespoons, and that was it. And then obviously just blended it until it's nice and smooth. Now, I calculated out 1 jar of these chickpeas cost me around 60 cents to make. And by the time you process an entire jar, it is probably the equivalent of 2 packages that you would get of hummus at the store. It makes quite a lot. And so I know for us, our hummus that we buy at the store is like $4 for, like, I don't know, 12 ounces or something. So this is literally 30 cents for the same exact thing, except I canned it. I know exactly what's in there. There's no preservatives or anything, and it's just a healthier option. And I have it on my shelf anytime that I want a snack, something that's healthy. Just grab that jar, throw it in the food processor, and you're good to go. I also like to pack these. I just wanted to kind of show you how you can take this to work or travel with it. I just put some of the hummus on one side, and then I used the celery to kind of make a little, I don't know, dam to keep it from getting all over the other vegetables. But this is a great snack to pack for lunch. It's very high in nutrition and fiber and vitamins, and very low in fat and all the things that you don't want. So this is a very, very healthy thing to have on hand. And then with the rest of the hummus, I just took it. I have these little 4-ounce jelly jars, and I highly recommend getting these for storage. They're glass containers, and they're reusable. You can can with them. You can store things in them. I love ball jars for just about everything. If you go to Walmart or your grocery store, these little white plastic tops are used for storing things in these ball jars. They're really super inexpensive, and they just come in so handy because you can travel with these too. And I'll leave a link for everything that I've used in the video, just in case you need to shop for anything online, and that way you can get it. So anyway, that is it. That is how easy it is to have a healthy, delicious snack right in your pantry that you can make for yourself at any time. I really hope that you enjoyed this video and that you learned something. If you did, please give me a thumbs up and make sure that you subscribe to my channel, and I will have plenty of more canning and preserving and sourdough and all kinds of stuff coming up here soon in the near future. So until next time, bye-bye.